Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Viral CB, which launched on the 4th of November at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new release from Peter Matt, and it's something that you don't see all that often these days, which is why I've recorded a video, and that is a comprehensive new strategy for getting commissions from Clickbank. Now, of course, of the three main marketplaces, Warrior Plus, JV2 and Clickbank, Clickbank is sometimes ignored, which is daft really, because it's a great marketplace dealing as it does with mainly physical products rather than digital products. And the other great thing about Clickbank, of course, especially in their health and fitness niche, is that a lot of the products in Clickbank are repeat order products. So if someone buys a product off you, a physical product, let's just say some sort of vitamins or something like that, vitamins as you say in the US, and they like the product, find it works for them, then they'll order that product over and over again on repeat, and you'll continue to get monthly commissions for as long as that person keeps doing their repeat orders, or if they order at 6-week intervals, whatever it is, however long the shelf life is of the original product. So I think that Clickbank deserves more attention than it often gets from people in our marketplace. But anyway, Peter Matt has come up with a great strategy showing you how you can create simple videos, not having to put your face on camera, very short videos like 7 or 8 seconds long each only, using the Viral CB strategy. And as I said, don't worry, there's no putting yourself on camera at all. So if that sounds like it's of interest, then listen on to this review video. I'll also go through the bundle of bonuses that you can get if you pick up Viral CB from my link. If you click on the link below, you'll be taken to this page here, and you can get the bonuses, which I'll go through shortly, anytime before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. And obviously I don't want that to happen, because they are exclusive bonuses to me that enhance your use of the Viral CB product. So if that sounds good, we'll press on. We will have a look inside the members area at Viral CB, which is very comprehensive. It's an 18 video training session, so it covers everything in great depth. Here's the sales page, and we'll also have a look at the upsells. The front end is just $11.95. It says a 16-part training, but there are actually 18 videos. So Viral CB, unleash the power of viral traffic with this next generation plan, a new proven strategy using Clickbank products that generates $149 a day. Create viral channels in any niche on Instagram, TikTok or YouTube in just 5 days. Using the training inside Viral CB. You can actually do it even quicker than that, but it's just, you know, for the person who wants to take the training at a level, an even pace, shall we say. Okay, so let's deal with these bonuses first from me next. So when you click on the link below, as I said, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm recording now will be in here. What is Viral CB about? Take advantage of TikTok and Instagram channels. Just post and forget. Once you've created your short 7 or 8 second video, you just leave it to do the work for you. Get unlimited free traffic in one click. Of course, with this method, you know, you don't need to have a following. No technical skills or previous experience needed. Our 3 figures per day tutorials are included. Receive real human visitors who buy. Stop wasting time and money on deceptive methods. Finally get traffic so you can make sales today. Be among the first to take advantage of this new opportunity, and the price is going up, so if you wait, you'll pay much more. So if you pick Viral CB up from my link, you'll also get all of these bonuses. 7 more steps to Clickbank success. More secrets for you earning commission on Clickbank. And yet another one, how to make $100 a day on Clickbank using affiliate marketing. Another completely separate training. I'm also going to show you, which isn't covered in this course, how to make money using Snapchat, another often underlooked social media platform. Method X is the flagship product from James Fawcett. Monkey Mailers was my first mailer product that I bought out a few years ago with Paul Snellex, that can show you, or will show you, how you can email up to 500,000 people every day for free. In fact, that figure has gone up since we actually bought this out, because one of the sources of traffic is now much bigger than it was at the time. Power Marketers Club, strategies for successful web entrepreneurs. I'm going to give you a free silver membership at Power Marketers Club. If you head over to powermarketersclub.com right now and check it out, the site, you will see that silver membership costs $97 at the club, but I'm going to be giving it to you for completely free. Gratis, $97 value silver membership. Review Site Secrets does what it says on the tin, shows you how to create a review site and monetize it to get great affiliate commissions. Search and Splurge teaches you how to get paid to do easy Google and Bing searches. And a blast from the past, I haven't given this one away for ages. The best-selling product from the John O. Armstrong and Brendan Mace years was the Lost Code, largely because of its an amazing sales video with high production high production values, sort of loosely based on Raiders of the Lost Ark. But anyway, the product itself is pretty good as well, so we're giving you away a free copy of the Lost Code, and of course you'll get any bonuses that Peter Matt is giving away. So that's that. Make sure that you do buy it from my link to get all of these extra freebies. And one interesting fact about Peter, I don't know if it's here or in the members area. I think it's in the members area, so let's just go there a second before I forget. Peter Matt, your instructor, is actually his if you like his his marketing name. His real name is Pedro Madaleno, and he's internationally known as a famous Portuguese jazz musician. Check him out online. He really is a seriously talented guy. An internationally known jazz musician from Portugal. So that's who Peter Matt actually is. But anyway, let's have a quick look at the sales page. Not going to waste too much time on it. It is $11.95 only. Do have a scroll through and see exactly what is included with Viral CB. But I just want to show you the additional bonuses that Peter is going to give you, which are down here at the bottom. So as I said, check this out in your own time. And coming up in a second, honestly, are the bonuses. I just don't want to miss them. There we go. How to monetize Facebook. Access to over 13 tutorials, each lasting more than 30 minutes in Peter's own exclusive private Facebook group. And special one, the 7 training programs that have helped Peter make the most in 7 years. Completely free. The 7 training programs that have helped him the most to make money online. So all of those are included, as well as, of course, all of my own bonuses, which we've already gone through. All right, so once you've picked it up, you'll be taken through to the members area, and I've just gone to the second video here, the method overview. There is a welcome as well, so obviously watch them in order, but I've just done this just to show you the viral loop of the stuff that you're going to be able to create. All of these videos go in depth, teach you over the shoulder everything. Peter's going to show you absolutely everything that you have to do step by step. So it's a very simple system to follow that is going to get you creating these very short 7-8 second videos. Training works in any market niche, as it says here, whether it's health, fitness, spirituality, travel agencies, real estate, pet shops, restaurant, cars, or of course make money online. You don't have to use one of these Clickbank niches. Clickbank, of course, does also have a lot of digital make money online products on the platform as well. It's just that this would work super for Clickbank products that are in other niches, whereas nearly everything else in our business won't work for that type of product. So that's what makes Viral CB so good. And as I said, you've got the full set of 18 videos there. It really is, I would say this is, you know, a several $100 value product in terms of the quality of the training. So in terms of the upsell, so $11.95 your front end. OTO 1 is a full AI course for $37. Dive deep into the world of AI with our full course, taking your expertise to the next level. So if you want to fully get a handle on how to use all the AI innovations, that's available. There are no downsells on these as far as I'm aware, so that is your, you know, Peter's just a straightforward marketer. The price is what you see is what you get. There's no second chances. Promote winning products with AI, $67. Unlock the power of AI-driven product promotion to boost your sales even further. Reseller rights, get 100% commission on the whole funnel, $197. OTO number 4, done for you, amazing blog with 20 winning products. That's $247. Get a ready-made amazing blog featuring 20 winning products, saving you time and effort. And finally, OTO 5, scale your business to 5 figures a month with paid ads. Take your business to new heights with this premium package on paid ads. I should add, by the way, that this reseller rights package, it includes 100% on OTO on the front end and OTOs 1, 2 and 3, but it includes 40% commissions on OTOs 4 and 5. I just wanted to clarify that. So that's pretty much it, folks. If you want to pick this up and get all of these extra bonuses from me as well, then all you have to do is click any of these green buttons before the countdown timer ends, and then that will take you obviously into your Warrior Plus account. Click on the green button to get access to your product, and click on the blue button to get access to my exclusive bonuses. So that's pretty much it. As I said, I'm going to give this 5 stars on the Elite Tigers Group rating. A very good product and much needed at the moment, dealing as it does with Clickbank. So with that said, all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed whenever I bring out new content on the channel. So until then, until next time, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Viral CB.